Hello children, I welcome all of you in today's EVS session. Children, you can see this book in front on the screen. This is your Environmental Studies workbook. Environmental Studies workbook part 1, and here you can see your grade. You are in 3rd standard, so here it is 3. This book is called our Environmental Studies workbook, that is EVS workbook. We are studying chapter 4. Lesson number 4, Directions and Maps. Here in this green color box you can see page number. We are on page number 24. So let's read the workbook. You have to complete this workbook in neat and clean handwriting. Concept maps. Complete the given concept map. Direction and map. Directions: east, the sun dash in this direction. The sun rises in this direction. Then the sun dash in this direction. The sun sets in this direction. If we stand facing east, this direction is to our dash. If we stand facing east, this direction is to our right. Index: a list of dash pictures, signs and different shades of colors used to present information on map. District, state and country. The earth is also called the world and is mainly divided into land and water bodies. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Continents are made up of several countries. India is a dash. It is made up of several states. India is a country. It is made up of several states. Maharashtra is a dash in India. Maharashtra is state. Districts are made up of several dash, that is talukas. Page number 25. Very short answer questions. Fill in the blanks. The sun rises in the dash direction. A district is composed of several dash. On a map, the 4 dash are shown with the help of arrows. Dash is the color used in world map to show the water bodies or oceans. Strike out wrong word. A direction or road can be used to determine the exact position of the object. East or north and west are opposite to each other. Every map has north or south at its top. There are 3 or 4 main directions. So children, in this question you have to choose the right answer and strike out the wrong one. Short answer question. Answer the following. What do we make use of to determine the east? Write your answers here. 10. Number A. Which is the direction opposite to north? B. Which directions does the magnetic needle show? Page number 26. You have to write the answers here. Understanding. Very short answer questions. Fill in the blanks. Magnetic needle is used to show dash. A list of symbols, pictures, signs and different colors used to present the different information on the map is called dash. The index helps in understanding the dash. If east is to your left, west will be to your dash. Short answer questions. Think and tell. A kid is standing with his hands spread in the air. If the kid is facing towards the north direction, what is the direction to his left and right? So you have to mention the directions here and here. And write your answers in this blank space. What is the index of map and how does it help us? Write your answer here. Long answer question. Answer the following. How can the sun be used to determine the direction naturally? Write your answer here. Application. Very short answer question. Answer in one sentence. Which feature on a map help us position the place accurately? Write your answer here. Page number 28. A small depiction of the earth or its part that is drawn to scale and help us to study the geography of the bird is known as dash. Short answer question. Think and tell. Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear? In which direction is your left ear? Write your answer here. You have to think over these questions and then you have to write the answer. In which direction will your shadow fall at the sunset? Long question answer. What's the solution? Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve this problem. Can you help them? In this picture, you have to see this picture on textbook page number 23. In this picture, the east is marked. Use it to write the other three directions in the yellow boxes. In which direction should we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction must he walk? Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Page number 29. You have to write answers here. Higher order thinking skills, HOTS. It is short form of higher order thinking skills. Short answer question. Answer the following. The numeric 3, 6, 9 and 12 on a clock represent the east, south, west and north directions respectively. If we go in an anti-clockwise direction, then which direction comes after? Write your answers here. Activity. At your birthday party, you are playing treasure hunt with your friends. You have hidden a bag full of chocolate somewhere in the house. Your friends have to find it, but without any clue. They are unable to find it. Help them by drawing a map that leads to the treasure. You have to draw your map in this plain space. So children, complete your workbook in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Bye.